6 Juliet Papa number 3 following Cessna 2 mile final, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Looking for the traffic, clear to land, 6 Juliet Papa.
Cessna 61 Golf number 4 following a Diamond Star over Dewey, runway 26 right, cleared low approach, and all the Golf call you left hand.
After that, I think we have the traffic inside number 461 Golf.
Diamond 6 Juliet Papa, be advised, traffic to follow 12 o'clock in 2 miles, you have about a 50 knot overtake at the moment.
Slowing down, 6 Juliet Papa.
Thanks. Cessna 9 Mike Charlie, runway 26 left, clear to land traffic. East of the Washington, parallel runway 1500, additional traffic 4 mile final, parallel runway Diamond Star.
Traffic inside, 26 left, 9 Mike Charlie.
And so 6 Juliet Papa, traffic midfield left downwind to the parallel runway Cessna.
Acknowledged, 6 Juliet Papa.
Cherokee 885, left turn approved, contact SoCal departure.
Contact SoCal departure, left turn approved. Thanks for all your help.
You got it. The 6 Juliet Papa, S turns north of course is approved for spacing.
S turning, 6 Juliet Papa.
Cessna 957, going to contact.
Affirmative.
957, taxi via Delta Mike frequency, get it.
That's next. Down.
We're 6 Juliet Papa, negative contact traffic to my number 1.
6 Juliet Papa, traffic is very short final, they're about to cross the threshold.
Traffic inside, 6 Juliet Papa.
6 Juliet Papa, just go around and make right traffic runway 26 right.
Going around for 26 right, 6 Juliet.
Cessna 24 Golf United Kilo, taxi via Kilo departure.
Turn Kilo, 6 Juliet Kilo.
Cessna 9 Mike Charlie, turn left at Papa, taxi via Charlie, hold short of runway 26 left is frequency.
On that Papa, taxi to Charlie to 26 left, 9 Mike Charlie.
Six Juliet Papa, you going to make a short approach?
You can do a short approach, 6 Juliet Papa.
6 Juliet Papa, make short approach, runway 26 right, clear to land inside of a Cessna 3 mile final.
Land, 6 Juliet Papa.
So 61 Golf, resequence number 2 following Diamond Star, making a short approach.
Roger that, looking for our traffic 61 Golf. Traffic inside 61 Golf. Can we make a left turn or your call for a left turn 61 Golf?
For 61 Golf, left turn will be approved, your discretion.
Roger that, thanks, 61 Golf.
Chino Tower, Diamond Star 38 Charlie Foxtrot in the run-up at 26 right, ready to go for a straight-out departure.
Set 3 Charlie Foxtrot, Chino Tower, stand by.
Stand by, 38 Charlie Foxtrot.
Was it stalling for a second? Yep, that's normal.
Diamond Star 6 Juliet Papa, turn right to hotel. Back to the Alpha Juliet to park.
Right, hotel, Alpha Juliet to parking, 6 Juliet Papa.